Better? Welcome back, Uncle Tony here. We're sorry for the delay. We have been really busy with family stuff. And I've been on a diet for 2 weeks and I didn't lose 1 ounce. Friggin' A. Today we're making chicken rollatini over rice. So this is gonna beat Rachel Ray's 30 minutes because there's no such thing. To the white water. We're rinsing the starch off the rice. The less starch, the less sticky. I would say that's 2.5 cups of rice. That means we need 5 cups of water. Let it boil. When it comes to a boil, put it on a sim, put the cover, done. So now the chicken's laid out, I'm gonna put a piece of ham in everybody. Okay? And then I'm going to put mozzarella right on top of that. I'm using shredded mozzarella because that's what I had in the refrigerator. You can use any kind of mozzarella. Whole mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. I like a quick sprinkle of black pepper just all over it quick. And now we're going to roll. Plain bread from the bread store. Egg. And bread. Look how pretty, look how pretty. We're gonna turn these fast. Because this cooks quick. Then I add more. The rice is done. We're going to put the onions, man. And the beautiful sauce that the chicken's made with the olive oil. And now we're going to take it up a whole notch. You ready? Mushrooms. 3 pounds, maybe 3.5 pounds. You can't cut mushrooms too small because they shrink anyway. Oh my God, you gotta smell that goodness. Yeehaw, look at that, baby. Salt! Whoa! I love it, it's not a lot. You think it's a lot, but it's not. This is the right pepper. Gorgeous, look at that, gorgeous. Ah, delish. Now it's time to put the chicken back. And now the magic ingredient, the vino. Come back. We're gonna be finished in like 10 more minutes. This over rice. It's all ready. All ready, baby. Woo chow! Delicious! We're gonna make some room to put the chicken on this side. Look at that. Yum yum, give me some. Look at that, gorgeous. Now we're gonna get a nice cupina. And we're gonna get all that beautiful juice and mushroom. Look at that. We'll throw 2 of them right on top for good luck. We're sorry we were late. We'll try not to be late anymore. But bon appetito! And if you need to know anything about our cooking, please let us know. And follow us on Instagram. Bon appetito!
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.